Okay, take down these notes. This is going to be one of the easiest assignments here. Another one of these easy assignments. So copy the notes down. Here it is, notes. We're still working with what? Circles. Something about circles. This one, you're gonna find the area. Find the area of each circle, or find the area of a circle. Now, what does that mean? What is an area of a circle? Well, an area, the area of a circle, means that, let's say what you have a circle, right? Let's draw a circle. Just try your best. And before we did circumference, when we found the whole length of just like that outside, the outside line, right? We did circumference. We did arc length, where you found just, for an arc of the circle, you found the measure of the length of the arc. The area of a circle, the area is actually the space that it all occupies. Like all this space that it occupies. What is the area of the circle? What is all this space that it occupies? How much area is being covered here, right? That's what area of a circle is. Okay, it has nothing to do with the outside line or like circumference or arc length. Now we're looking at this whole inside space. That is the area. Okay, and that's what you're going to find here. And luckily, again, it's just a simple formula. So here it is. Let's just go ahead and start working this out. Okay, so, well, it'll say find the area of each circle. Number one. Well, no, let me go back. I haven't given you the formula. I have to give you the formula. What's the formula for area? Area is, right, we know a circle has a radius. We know the circle has a radius. R is for radius. So the formula, oh my God, I was already just going to go ahead and start doing them. I haven't given you the formula for area. The formula for area of a circle is pi times r squared. That is it. You're only going to need to know the radius, but we're going to have to square the radius and then multiply it to the value of pi. That is it. Area of a circle is pi r squared. All right, now let's go ahead and start working these out. Number one. We have a circle. Remember, you can pause it if you take a bit to draw it or copy things down. And this one is 11, I think it's meters. We'll use the units now. We have to use the units because you're going to be squaring that. All right. So the formula was what? Area is equal to pi times r times squared. So that's going to be A. We'll just put A for area is equal to pi times, and I got to do what to the radius? I got to square it, and the radius is 11 meters. I mean, that's it. That is the radius. All right, that's r is equal to 11 meters. We'll just put it there. And now, well, we're going to get A is equal to pi times, how much is 11? Now look at the units. When you square m, you get m squared. So remember that. And then just do 11 squared. Well, 11 squared is 121. So you'll have area is equal to 121 pi meters squared. That is one acceptable form of the answer, but I think here they're going to ask you to just multiply that value of pi. Yeah. So that'll be on the calculator, right? The value of pi is going to be 121 times pi equals 380. 380.13. We'll make it look like money. The area is going to be 380.13 square meters. Square meters. And area is squared. It's in squared. The units are squared, so that's why you'll see the squared. And remember, where did it get squared? Right here. The 11 got squared. That's 11 times 11, and the m times m is m squared. All right, let's do another quick one. That's it. I mean, it's this very simple formula, right? It's just area is equal to pi times the radius squared. That is it. Number 2. What do we have? A circle that is, well, like this. And now they're going to show you one of the radius, right? Doesn't matter where it goes. That is 4 feet. Well, the formula is area is equal to what? Pi times r squared. That's going to be A for area is equal to pi times 4 feet. But you got to square 4 feet. You got to square the 4 and you got to square the feet. So you're going to get pi, and that's going to be 4 times 4 is 16. And then remember, now your units are square feet. Right? 4 squared is 16 and the feet get squared. So really you have area is equal to 16 times pi square feet, but they want you to multiply and use the actual value of pi on your calculator. So let's do that here. You just got to multiply 16 times pi, right? 16 times pi. I got 50.265, or of the 5 rounds, 50.27. 50.27, and don't forget the units, square feet. Okay, now here's what they're going to do. Try to throw you off a little bit. How about this one, number 3? Number 3 is doing this. All right. Put a center there in the middle. Now, what if they do something like so, and they tell you that this is 24 kilometers? Okay, so my formula is area is equal to pi r squared. Easy formula. But hold your horses, don't get too excited. This is not a radius. That's the diameter. That's the diameter. I don't want the diameter. I want the radius. What do we know is true about a circle and we're dealing with diameter and radius? Well, if that's 24, that's the whole diameter. That means that the radius has to be half of that. That means that the radius is what? 12, right? That means your radius is 12. Watch out. Make sure you're not going to just put any number they put there. Make sure you're using the radius in the formula. Other than that, you got area is equal to pi times what? Oh, this will be 12 kilometers. 12 kilometers, but I got to square it. Yeah. Oh, I know what 12 times 12 is, and I know how to square that. So that's going to be pi times 144, because that's 12 times 12. And then the kilometers is kilometers squared. So really you're looking at area is equal to 144 pi kilometers squared. But remember, we got to put this in the calculator and use the value of pi, so it's going to be a bigger number. You're going to get area is equal to, what is 144? Oops, that's not 144. 144 times pi. It's going to be 452.389. $452.38, and maybe that bumps it up to 39. Okay. 452.39 what? Kilometers squared. Make sure you use the units there. Okay, last one, 4, very similar to 3. Watch if they give you a diameter, if they give you a radius. That's the only thing you got to make sure you don't get wrong there. Okay, last one. So this one is what if I got this going this way like this, and that says 18 centimeters? Yeah, 18 centimeters. Well, again, careful again, right? That is not a radius. Make sure that the picture's not fooling you. They're not going to give you a radius all the time like I did in the beginning. So you got to watch. Sometimes it'll be a diameter, sometimes it'll be a radius. So here the radius would be what? 9, right? That's a diameter. The radius would be 9 centimeters. Half of 18 is 9, right? 9 and 9. All right. Other than that, what's the formula? Area is equal to pi times the radius squared. That's it. That's going to be A for area is equal to pi times, what do I got to square? Oh, the 9 centimeters. Don't do the 18. That's going to be wrong, right? The radius squared. And we're going to get pi times what? Well, I know 9 times 9 is 9 squared is 81, and centimeter squared is, well, squared centimeters, or centimeters squared. Okay, so you're looking at 81 pi centimeter squared, or squared centimeters for the area. But you gotta multiply this out. They want to see the whole number with the pi multiplied. 81 times pi. 254.469, but that 9 bumps that to 254. 254 point, what was it? 0.46, but that'll be 0.47. Okay, that is the area of a circle. That's how you calculate it. Oh, I forgot the units. Centimeters squared. Don't forget that. All right, good luck. Easy assignment.